Superbike Tech here. I think this is day 5 on the RZ500 restoration project. Today, I don't know if you can tell, but the left foot peg is like bent down. Trying to figure out what's going on there. Took the gear shift linkage off so I could get a better look at trying to figure out why it's bent, where it's bent, what happened. If it's fixable, which it doesn't really look like it, I'm probably going to have to order a new left foot peg. On this side, whoever had this before cut the foot peg bracket, which usually goes all the way back here, and the right side lower pipe bolts to the bracket, which I don't know if you can see, but right here it's been cut off. So I need a new one of those brackets, and probably another foot peg over here too, because it just flops. It's supposed to be a spring here to hold it up so you can use the Kickstarter. And then we got some new parts in today. Over here, got a right hand side mirror, new air filter, 4 carburetor rebuild kits, the 2 end caps for the crankshafts, got a new ignition switch. Hope that's focusing. And then we got the polar tool for the stator thingamabob on the end of the crankshaft. So yeah, we got some new stuff in, more stuff to do. One day she will be finished. Hit that subscribe button if you get a chance. I greatly appreciate it. Hit the like button if you made it this far. We'll see you tomorrow or the next time.